Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to effectively use NotebookLM to organize, synthesize, and extract meaningful insights from scattered information. If your work requires consolidating knowledge from various formats, be it documents, videos, or slides, this tool is a game changer. In this session, we'll break down its key features, real-world applications, and pro tips that will elevate your productivity to the next level. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Now, let's dive into the heart of NotebookLM and see how it transforms fragmented data into cohesive outputs. Here's a rule of thumb for leveraging NotebookLM effectively. Low tolerance for hallucination. If accuracy is paramount, NotebookLM minimizes misinformation. Scattered information. Perfect for consolidating data across multiple formats, like text, audio, and video. Need for quick synthesis. It's ideal for rapidly creating meaningful, actionable outputs. If these criteria resonate with you, NotebookLM might just be the AI tool you've been looking for. Starting with NotebookLM can be daunting due to its feature-rich interface. Here are some quick tips to ease the process. Orientation. Press Escape and click the logo in the top left corner to return to the home page. Bookmark this page for future reference. Switching to list view and sorting by title is my personal preference for better organization. Creating a notebook. Start with a descriptive title. Let's use Health Reports 2 inches as an example. Click the plus icon to upload your sources, such as Annual Health Checkup Reports PDFs, e.g., Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss, YouTube videos on topics like uric acid and fasting. Once uploaded, NotebookLM processes the data, allowing you to interact with it seamlessly. 1. Consolidated Source Summaries. NotebookLM automatically creates concise summaries for uploaded sources. For instance, a dense medical report can be summarized to highlight abnormalities, saving you hours of manual reading. Point 2. Cross-referenced insights. NotebookLM considers all selected sources when generating answers. This feature ensures comprehensive insights, such as identifying trends in health reports, offering actionable advice, e.g., lowering uric acid levels. 3. Saving outputs. Always save important outputs by clicking Save to Note, as NotebookLM does not retain unsaved data upon closing a session. Example. A notebook titled, Equipment Manuals, containing user manuals for filming equipment. Query. How do I update the firmware for my monitor? Result. NotebookLM retrieves precise instructions directly from the manual. Pro tip. If a website blocks NotebookLM from being added as a source, simply copy and paste its content manually. Project managers benefit significantly by creating notebooks for each project. Add meeting notes. Project plans. Related documents. Leverage templates like briefing documents, timelines, and FAQs to streamline workflows. Upload meeting transcripts for high-quality answers to questions like, what are my outstanding tasks? Write a meeting recap email. Pro tip. Sharing previous project recaps allows NotebookLM to identify learnings and strategies for future campaigns. Add tax codes, audit reports, and other financial documents into a dedicated notebook. Queries might include, what were my tax obligations last year? Am I eligible for offshore tax exemptions? NotebookLM synthesizes data efficiently, saving you from manually reviewing dense financial documents. Create an earnings analysis notebook to track earnings reports. Analyst articles ask specific questions, like, what is Google's AI monetization strategy? How do AI strategies differ among Google, Meta, and Amazon? NotebookLM produces structured, insightful summaries, helping you connect industry trends effortlessly. Pro tip. Customize audio overviews for tailored insights during commutes or workouts. Creativity trade-off. NotebookLM is optimized for accuracy, which may limit creativity compared to models like Google Gemini. Use complementary tools for final deliverables. Source quality matters. High-quality sources yield better outputs. Avoid low-quality or clickbait materials. Massive absorption capacity. NotebookLM supports up to 25 million words per notebook, significantly more than competing tools like Google, Gemini or ChatGPT. Pro tip: combine multiple documents into a single file to maximize source efficiency within the 20 source limit per notebook.